Welcome back to the video, everybody. Today is the day for some headlights and taillights. Let's do it. Welcome back. I'm gonna go ahead. I got this all kind of displayed right now because I took some photos, but let me go ahead and show you guys what we actually went with today. Now, as you guys can see, I actually went with the Subispeed V2. Now, it's kind of hard to actually get on here, but you guys can see she's full LED, and as you can see, the red accents, which right here. Now, I did have actually a couple accents inside my car here on the paddle shifters, so I figured, you know, kind of combo it. Actually, both of these right here are sequential. So that means that we're gonna have our turn signal. I like those. So that's our first one. That's the Subispeed V2. I'm gonna put everything in the comments below to let you know where I got these and how much they are and everything like that. Now, the other one I got are these. Now these are the V2. No, a V2. These are the Spec D taillights. Now, kind of hard to see. Now, as you guys can see, I didn't go with smoked or anything like that. I didn't do that because honestly, I didn't know. I mean, I've had them before and I had it on the other Impreza, but I just kind of, I want to do something different. I didn't want to go ahead and stay the same way. I mean, don't get me wrong, the smoked taillights are very nice if you guys wanted to get something like that. Now, if you guys haven't seen that video, go through my account real quick and you guys can see the actual install. Now, it's horrible because it was on my cell phone, but whatever. No judgment. But yeah, if you guys wanted to get something like those taillights, they do have a spec just like that for this car. Now, again, like I said, I didn't really want to go ahead and just stay with the same things. I wanted to do something a little different, and when I saw these and I saw the black to it, I was like, okay, well, it's still dark. It's still, aggressive without, going too much. I was kind of hesitating because of the LEDs here, but they kind of grown on me. So I'm actually starting to like these a little bit more. But yeah, let's go ahead and we're gonna start with the the headlights first. Yeah, we're gonna start with the headlights first, get that done, and then we'll go ahead and get the taillights done. Okay, guys. Now, what we're gonna actually use today are a few things. I got that and that. So I'm gonna go and use my impact because it's gonna make it a little easier to try and get these off a little bit quicker. But we have 8 screws here. We got a 10 mil, a couple push pins here. Push those up, and they go all along here. Now I might take these off too because there's a few right here and here and here. And then we do also have, so we got 8 there, one right here, one right here. And then we got 2 on the bottom here, and it looks like 2 there and 2 there. Now it looks like somebody has messed with this before, and these 2 are actually missing. But if you guys are going to do this on yours, this is what we're looking at. So let me go ahead. I'm going to get started on this with that. And if you guys want to, just a little idea, you can also use these. So you can use this right here. If I had, nothing too extreme. Hell, I think most of these people are going to be using it anyway. I know some people actually, if it will focus, use this, and this is a pick. So it's a little easier. You can get into the tiny spots there and lift it up a little bit easier. As you can see, I just popped that one right out. So it's a little easier than if you just have this, it'll work. Just watch out for the blade, don't break anything, but this is just a little easier. For the stubborn ones, I'd probably use this one, but for easy ones, I'd probably use this. So Okay guys, I got everything off right now. I got all the bolts out, and then I got all the bolts from here and here. Fair warning, this guy right here, if it will focus, it won't focus. Okay, take my word for it, I'm sorry. This push pin here that is located right here, right there, it is actually a push in. So you push, as you can see, it's kind of inwards right now. Push that in, and then you can pull it out. But that's that. I just wanted to show you guys that because that one is a little unique, and I have broken those before. But what we're gonna do is go ahead and just a little bit, little huggy. There we go. There we go. Okay. So as you can see, there's tabs right there. So this is all good. Why is this still tight? I got all the freaking. Oh, there's one more. Oh, I didn't notice that. Okay, let me get that real quick, and I'll get back to you. Take two. Okay. Come on. You can do it. Come on, baby. Okay. Pop this side real quick. Sorry that my hand's in the way. Ah, come on. Okay. I'm not gonna force anything. If I do that, I'm gonna break some stuff. Okay. Here, I'm gonna sit you guys down real quick. Attempt number 3. Attempt number 3. And voila! You've removed a bumper. Okay guys, so we got the bumper off now. We are looking at 1, 2, okay, trust me, 2, 3, and 4, okay, 4 and 5. Wherever they, yeah, they're there. And then you do also have a push pin right there. Sorry, camera work's not doing so good. Right there too. And same thing on the other side. So let's keep going. Okay guys, so we just got this installed. Looks like we just got it installed, guys. So what's getting a little bit of hell with this part right here, and this part. Oh, where is it? There it is. That part right there. Because these are guide pins to kind of put it flush with it. But yeah, but this is pretty much installed. It's holding up. It's held up by a push pin up there. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish this off real quick. I got the old one off. So I'm gonna see if I can try to. I might hold on to them or try to sell them real quick. But if you guys can look, that's a good difference right there. And as you can see, can't really, you know, it's smooth, it's sleek right on this side, but you look on this side, you guys can tell it definitely has a hard angle right there. This is kind of what was drawn to me about these. I actually saw a couple of these online, and you know, they look pretty damn good. I also love the sequence that they have for the lights, so that's why I kind of picked them too. But yeah, I do like the aggressiveness to it. The angle's kind of weird. I mean, it's not bad, but you know, what do you expect for aftermarket headlights? But I'm gonna go ahead and get that one done real quick. Get the bumper. Well, I gotta get the headlights installed. Go ahead and get wiring done because there's a new wiring. If you guys can see right there. I gotta get all that plugged in, and I gotta run some wires across and into the fuse box, which I will show you. So, okay, sorry guys for, you know, not filming right. So, I had to look up actually on Subispeed how to install this a little bit. So, we have this wire here that is going to, oh, okay, darkness, goes into the fuse box here. And we need to connect it to the high beam. Oh, there it is. A high beam. I had to take the actual grabber here and take that fuse out. So it's right there. If it'll show up. Right there. There we go. And so this one, connect it to here. And then he said you pretty much just loop it around. You can hide it your own way here as my thing gets caught. So I got it up underneath here. Here's the first connector. And then he said you could also bring this last one here and loop it through here and then over to the other side. I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. So I just had to actually get all the pins out of this one. If I can. I wish I could move this, but they don't make it easy on us. Okay, not gonna make it easy on me. Okay, cool. Okay, well, I'm gonna loop that over there, loop it through here, and then I'm gonna connect it to this. And there's a connector right down here. Actually, I think I found it somewhere. It's yeah, it's somewhere down there. Yeah, just trust me. I already have that one connected right now. Got it connected. This one goes to the fog lights and the turn signal on the bottom. So this one's just a Y connector. Goes up from the top here of it, goes all the way down. It was pretty much, yeah, that tied. Yeah. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead. I'm saying a lot. We're gonna go ahead and wire those. Get that wire over here. Connect these, and then put the bumper back on, and then we should be set. We got them all installed now. So. That one, I haven't pulled stuff off of the plastic off of that. This one I did. That was just for the rolling shot. So, yep. So we got them all installed. I got all the wires routed. You can kind of see it right there going around. I put it up underneath here. It's looping around that way. I need to try to find a way to kind of maybe zip tie this down here somewhere. Something more concealable. But yeah. That's pretty much it. I did have to move this guy real quick just to kind of get up underneath of it. But other than that, that's it. Let's go ahead. The next thing up, I got all the wiring done. Headlights are installed. Time for the bumper. Sorry for the filming here. So as you guys can see, we got it all hooked back up. Now, I'm actually digging these really good, these headlights here.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Action? I don't know. Okay, everybody, that's how you install them. I'm sorry for the filming. Not my best work, and especially when I was trying to install them and show you everything. If you guys need to, you guys want a reference to it, I did reference back to them. It's Subispeed. They actually do have the install video for it. If you guys want to take a look at it, I just kind of did my own little thing here. So if you guys want to check it out, you can go check them out. They're pretty good place, and they actually have products coming out almost every month. So I'm not sponsored by them, just stating that. But thank you, Subispeed, for the headlights. Thank you all for watching and supporting this channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.